Vixen. A seductive or flirtatious woman who is often portrayed as cunning. Example, in the movie, she played the vixen who always knew how to get what she wanted. Cougar. An older woman who pursues younger men. Example, she's a confident cougar who doesn't shy away from dating men 10 years younger. Homewrecker. A person who is responsible for breaking up a marriage or relationship. Example, her friends warned her about dating him. He has a reputation for being a homewrecker. Trophy wife. A young and attractive spouse who is regarded as a status symbol. Example, he's wealthy, and his trophy wife is always by his side at every event. Addict. Someone who is very addicted to something, often drugs or unhealthy habits. Example, he became an addict after years of struggling with stress and peer pressure. Prude. A person who is excessively proper or modest and disapproves of sexual or risk matters. Example, she was called a prude because she was uncomfortable with their explicit jokes. Grimy. Dirty, unpleasant, or sleazy. Example, the gym's locker room was so grimy, no one wanted to shower there. Heartbreaker. Someone who is very attractive, but tends to leave others feeling emotionally hurt. Example, he's a classic heartbreaker. Everyone falls for him, but he never sticks around. Rebel. A person who resists authority, control, or tradition. Example, she's always been a rebel, challenging every rule in the book. Mean girl. A girl who is deliberately unfriendly or cruel to others, often in a high school or social context. Example, she was part of the mean girls who bullied others in the cafeteria. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.